Chris with Homestead Earth. I'm about to show you how to build a very easy homemade chick waterer out of recycled number 10 cans you can find at your local grocery store, or school for that matter. You don't need many materials here. It's kind of a simple project. We've got our number 10 cans, these large ones here, and we've also got a bottom piece here. This is a cake pan, anything similar, even an old aluminum tin pan will work just fine for you. You just want to make sure it works with the can that you're using and it fits down in there nice and tight. You have a little bit of room for the chicks to get down there and drink. Now, other than that, you're going to need a screw gun or a drill here. And I'm using a 3/16 inch bit. It's not too big. It doesn't refill the tank too fast, but it's small enough that it's easy to get in there on the lip of the can. Now, you don't want to drill your holes any deeper than your bottom pan can accept, because the water level is going to refill as this becomes airtight. The water level is going to refill inside that pan here. Now you can see I've actually drilled these holes maybe 1/4 of an inch from the top there. Take it back out here. I'm going to go ahead and drill another can here, making another water to go with this bottom pan. Alright, now that we have our holes drilled in the top of this, it's time to fill it up with some water. I've already got some water in this can, but I want to see how this one works. So we're going to go ahead and transfer the water in here. And the only thing you have to do when you refill this, fill this up 1/2, 3/4, however much you want. Place this pan upside down on this one, give it a turn, and you can watch the water flow in there. I'll show you that here in just a moment. Now it's refilling nicely up to the level of those cans. Alright, another little trick here. If you're feeding larger animals, may not be able to get their head in there, you can also slide this can over to the back. Give yourself a little larger area there for animals that maybe they drink with their tongue, like a dog or a cat. You can see the water level comes right up to where those holes are in the pan there. Chicks will be able to reach down and dip their heads in there and get water just fine, and that'll refill them, last them a good while. Alright, now here we are at our finished chicken brooder. I'm going to open the lid and let you see inside here in just a moment. I've already installed our homemade recycled can waterer in there. It's also sitting on a roll of duct tape right now. I do have some bricks that I'm going to be placing under there. That way the chicks don't splash the water out on the bedding, spoil it so fast. Right in here we have our brooder set up. Everything's cooking, seeing kind of a trial run here, seeing how everything goes. Come on inside. Alright, inside our chicken brooder is on and warming up. I'm going to see if this light here is going to provide us enough warmth down here. It does feel pretty warm. We have our feeder with the anti-roost reel. I'm going to flip the little chicks off, hopefully. I'm not too worried about it. I'll be in here to clean it. I have about 2.5, 3 inches of pine shavings as bedding in here. Now I did go with the flake. It's a little coarser. The other stuff seemed to me just a little too fine. This ought to work just great. I do have our recycled can waterer in here, set up on a level base. Actually, a roll of duct tape. I am going to have some bricks in here. All ready for the chicks.